put your hand, go walk. Your name go open doors. You self go be a boss. Amen, amen. Everything you put your hand, go walk. Your name go open doors. You self go be a boss. Amen, amen. Every hustler getting paid. Where the hustle go come the pay. Your own in no go take. Amen. If you don't find work, do your own. God self go do his own. And flesh go cover bone. Amen, amen. If you believe it, say amen. If you believe it, say amen. If you believe it, say amen. Amen, amen. Everything you put your hand, go walk. Your name go open doors. You self go be a boss. Amen, amen. Everything you put your hand, go walk. Your name go open doors. You self go be a boss. Amen, amen. Sister where one man receives until where they find begin. One day you go born twins. Amen, amen. They're not where don't losing job. Landlord come they do like God. One day you go be landlord. Amen, amen. Good news go locate you. Watch and see it no go take. If you believe it, say amen. No, amen, amen. Everything you put your hand, go walk. Your name go open doors. You self go be a boss. Amen, amen. Everything you put your hand, go walk. Your name go open doors. You self.
Today we are launching together with Cynthia and her friends. They are going to launch for us that beautiful room there. From today moving forward, ambia your neighbor, from today moving forward, shida za part zimeisha. You'll be coming here, and if you know, ukijua, see, some of you have been taught how to count your dates. When they are getting closer, you just come here and you pick your supply. Sawa? We want to ensure that your supply is here. Sawa? For each one of you. So never again should somebody use you for sex or for their satisfaction or misuse you just for a part that is worth 80 or 50 shillings. Imeisha kwanza leo, si ndio? All you just need to do is to walk here. We will have someone stationed there. I know what it means for those who have to use things like mattresses. Kuna wengine wetu wametumia mpaka mattress hapa na manguo, si ndio? So we know. So we just want to make sure that you can experience your womanhood with dignity, love and respect. Nobody should know when those things are happening. Sasa, you should just walk like a normal day and have fun. Sasa. So together with our friends, we have Kate, we have Cynthia and Leon. Today we officially launched this wellness block that will ensure that hundreds if not thousands of girls will come here and get their monthly supply to take care of their menstrual health.
Okay, so I think on behalf of the team that has been putting this together, we are coming here to stand and fill a gap that will make sure no other girl goes through the kind of trouble this ones have gone through, and we'll stand in the gap until we find a lasting solution. So to the team, thank you for allowing us to do this, and we really appreciate it from the bottom of our hearts. And so with that, kindly allow us to open officially the final word.
Everything you put your hand, go walk. Your name go open doors. You self go be a boss. Amen, amen. Everything you put your hand, go walk. Your name go open doors. You self go be a boss. Amen, amen. Every hustler getting paid. Where the hustle go come the pay. Your own in no go take. Amen. If you don't find work, do your own. God self go do his own.
My name is Cynthia Mwangi. I am head of Radio Hot 96. I'm also a presenter and a host of other things, including a communication expert. And the reason why we're here today, we came to hand over sanitary towels to the fantastic community at Kibra. And I have to say, when the call came, I was overwhelmed. I am. Actually, right now, I am so overwhelmed. I am not sure what to do with myself. But I want to give a special shout out to two people. One is Team Wanyonyi. Thank you so much for coming through. We really appreciate what you did. And we look forward to getting even more help, not just from you, but for the entire team. And the other person is Kentis. Right, Kentis, thank you so much. We really, really are grateful. And we know this is not a long-term solution. It's just for now. And when you talk to these ladies, it's not just the sanitary towels they need. They need a lot more. So what happens to the ones that already have babies? What do you do from there? They need Pampers, they need food, they need formula, they need so much. And it can be overwhelming, but it's one step towards helping them and assisting them move and have a better life and even grow to wonders and do amazing things out of this world. And we want to appreciate you for that. And if there's anything else that you would like to do for us, please feel free. Welcome. You're very welcome here. It is a home. It is beautiful. The people here are amazing and they're so warm and they welcome you and they are ready to share their stories. Whatever struggles and happy moments that they have, they're more than glad to share that little with you. And for that, we appreciate it. And from me, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. And we look forward to working with you again. Lots of love.
Hey, my name is Kate Silale. I'm a journalist and I'm really, really happy being here and seeing these girls happy because I understand and I feel them. Seeing them having those sanitary towels and seeing the happiness and the joy in their faces makes me happy. And today being a successful day, being a day that we have seen the young mothers, the young girls going home with something, going home with clothes, going home with sanitary towels, I really feel them and I really understand them. And I hope we are going to do this even more and support them and give them the better life they need.
Hi, my name is Leon Lidigu. I'm a health journalist at Daily Nation. And today's been a great day considering the fact that we made it a day to prioritize our sisters who come from this side of the world, who we really need to prioritize and care for. So I'm glad everything has turned out well and I hope you continue encouraging them wherever you are, you continue contributing, you continue adding value in any little way you can. Because period for poverty is something that we can tackle together. It doesn't care whether you are a boy or you are a girl, you know, they're our sisters. We need to speak and be there for one another. So I'm so grateful to Mr. Eric Simba, to the entire team, to my friends who showed up today. And I hope we continue being there and doing much greater stuff together. Thank you so much.
Today's a beautiful day. We just had a very beautiful function. And this function was made possible by different Kenyans from different sectors who came together to ensure that our young mothers, our girls and our mothers will never have to go through their menstrual cycle in shame. So today we've given sanitary pads to over 150 girls, and also we've officially launched our wellness center, which is going to be also called a pad center, whereby moving forward, no woman, no girl who has reached her menstrual age will have to experience pain, will have to experience ridicule, or will have to use their bodies in exchange to get a sanitary pad. So I'm excited for my sisters, I'm excited for my mothers, because I know moving forward, now that process will be celebrated, will be enjoyed, because now we have become a pad center where people can just come and pick with no questions asked. And if you're a Kenyan out there or someone out there and you want to support this initiative, just come and drop off your pads here. We don't even want money. Just buy in the supermarket, in the shop, bring them to our pad center, and we'll ensure that any woman or girls who needs it will have it. Thank you everybody who took part. I also have to thank the MP for Westlands, Team Wanyonyi, Kentis, my friends Kate from the media, Cynthia, Terry, Leon and Obed, who came through and who took this initiative to heart and made sure that it came to fusion. And without forgetting my CBSK team. Thank you guys, we love you, God above all. You're awesome. Peace out.
Hatutaki matata Kenya, wenye inchi Kenya kipenzi chetu, hatutaiacha milele daima. Wenye inchi Kenya kipenzi chetu, hatutaiacha milele daima. Kenya kipenzi chetu, inchi yenye upendo, hatutaacha Kenya daima na milele. Kenya kipenzi chetu, hatutaiacha milele daima. Wenye inchi Kenya kipenzi chetu, hatutaiacha milele daima. Na nikienda nje sitasahau Kenya, na nitabaki Mkenya daima na milele. Kenya kipenzi chetu, hatutaiacha milele.